I would like that I must not kill any person, but I should be killed like Sayyidina Usman in this moment. I'm prepared for that. If you don't want to listen, because people did not listen to Usman at all. Sayyidina Usman was besieged for 6 weeks. They never listened to him. He tried to explain his position and they were early Muslims. Sayyidina Usman was a Sahabi, Khalifa Rashid. But they never wanted to listen to him, just like as you are behaving, until he was martyred. So I would say that this is the position you don't want to listen to him. I have said, and this is the last statement, and after that I'm not going to continue with this debate, that there are two theories. There are two opinions. If you want to interrupt, it is not going to affect anything. It is not going to affect my position. The only thing is, as I said, I want to be Usman al-Maqtul. If you want to do that, you can do that. You can even come and attack us. Then listen.
Let him finish, please.
So these two opinions, that Sayyidina Adam, this is the Jamhur opinion. Jamhur opinion, Sayyidina Adam is the first man who was created, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blown the soul into him. That is the opinion which was held by the Muslims. Those people like Ibn Khaldun, Ibn Miskawayh, they have said something of which correspond with the evolution theory. So what is their difference between the two? When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted to create Adam, and the theory which is held by majority of the scholars, that it was just like kun fayakun. He created him and born in him, and then he was Adam, he started speaking. That was the opinion held by the Muslims. The second theory, which is Usama is advancing, that he says that this is the same thing. Sayyidina Adam al-Islam was created by the clay. We don't disagree with that. He was created out of clay, and he was created out of salsal kal-fakhar. He was created with all the substance which is found in the earth. But it took some evolutionary process. This is how, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned about Sayyidina Isa alayhi salam, that angel Ibrahim came and he blew into Maryam. Then Sayyidina Isa was not delivered the next moment. He was not delivered the next moment. It took the same process which a woman takes, about 9 months process, and after that he was born. So there was a process, but still the word kun fayakun was used. So what he was saying, that this process was through this evolutionary process until Adam came to this stage as well. So this is the opinion which is, as I said in the beginning, which is a ta'wil, which is advanced by some of these scholars, which he had mentioned. That is ta'wil. Is there any room for ta'wil in Islam, or in this opinion, is there any room for that? This is a matter to be discussed by the scholars, by the scholars themselves. Whether this procedure, which has taken millions of years for the creation of Adam, one theory, and the other which says no, he was created, which was the other theory. These are the two things where we are discussing here. So this is what I say. He got a ta'wil, he got the second opinion of ta'wil, and because of this ta'wil, he becomes out of the fold of Islam. This is a matter which you can't decide it, because if you start taking vote, then of course there would be difference of opinion. So it is up to the scholars of Islam to discuss about these two theories and to decide whether this theory corresponds to you or
it's up to
not.
us to decide. We're not democracy here, by the way.
This they have to decide.
We're not bureaucracy. The scholars don't decide what we
The
do.
second
We decide what
opinion
we do.
is based upon science. Only
Argument based on
those ulama who knows the science, they can give this opinion about it. The person who does not know the science at all, he should not give a fatwa about it. So I still think that there is room for ta'wil, just for ta'wil. One opinion and the other opinion. I have my my opinion.
Listen to his opinion. Show some respect.
This is what I said. I said to you that he said that it came through a process of evolution. He said so, but this is still a theory. This is still a theory which is not proved. A theory which has not been proved. A theory which has not been proved. This is why it is still a theory. It is still a theory. This is why you must not interfere it or understand it in a different way. It is a theory. It may be right, it may be wrong, but it is a theory. Theory is always a theory. So this is why be comfortable when we say that you take, everybody knows that I hold the opinion of the opinion which is known to the scholars of Islam. I hold that opinion. I am not saying that I have changed my opinion, but I am saying what his opinion, that is under Tawil. It comes under Tawil, and this Tawil could be wrong. So this is why the question is that whether because of this Tawil he has become out of the fold of Islam and the prayer is not valid behind him. That is it's the same thing there. Creating. Anyhow,
Answer the question.
we have said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created everything. He created even the universe. But the process, whether it has taken a process or not, it has taken a process or not. This is the question. Even the universe has taken a process. So this is why there is a room for this opinion or for Tawil. If this Tawil is rejected, it's rejected by science, you have to ignore it. But because of that, you can't say that a person is out of the fold of Islam. I have given the answer. I have given the answer that I have to repeat 100 times that these are two opinions. This is my opinion and his opinion is based upon that science. Until it is proved, it's still God. It is to be proved. If it is not proved scientifically, then you have not to believe in it at all.
Sit down, please.
I am saying that if there is a Tawil in matter, there Tawil was made by, as I said, by Ashaira, by Maturidiyya, by all of the Hanafis. There are Tawil in many matters. So, this is a matter of Tawil, and I think that I have given the answer. If you are satisfied, good. If you are not satisfied, it is your opinion. But let me make it very clear to you and all our brothers in the mosque that I am the first brick. He is the brick, and I am also the brick of the mosque. You want to kick him out, and the second target would be me, because I am the father. I know that. I know that.
Fact says you're right.
I know the Arabic parable. Inni ukiltu yawma ukila as-sawr al-abyad. Inni ukiltu yawma ukila as-sawr al-abyad. You are going to kick him.
Emotional blackmail. Get on with
You are going to kick him because of his Tawil. This is why I'm not going to accept. No, I'm not going to accept with your fatwa. I don't agree with your fatwa at all. And I can see now that your answer comes to me after me. I'm not going to hand over this mosque to those people who are